Hello, 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 everyone. It's Friday and it's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Wanted to pop on here and just, I can't talk very long, but wanted to pop on here and just fill you guys in on the makes that I'm working on. I thought I would have some finished objects to show, but the only finished objects I finished were from a commissioned order for a pattern testing, and I can't show those yet. So, um, but I did finish one thing, and you can see it on my head. This is a pattern from Cinnamon Stitches, and Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches, and I'll tag her video tutorial. It's super easy. It's a granny. She calls it a do-rag. Some people might call it a kerchief or a bandana, um, but she calls it a do-rag, and it went together super quick. It's easy. It's just like a granny triangle, and that's it. So I'll tag that in. But I finished that. It took me, I guess, maybe 45 minutes, if that long. It's real quick. So, but I did finish that. So that's one thing. And the reason I've made this is, you guys tell me. Here's my June calendar. Well, I guess I could get it down. I meant to pull this. I should have gotten it down before I started, and I forgot to take it down. But this is the June picture, and I used Ferris wheel yarn. It's a 4-weight acrylic yarn, and it's on the colorway Cherry on Top. And so I pulled those colors because of the colors in the sky, and I think that really works with it. So that's my June calendar project, made with the Ferris wheel Cherry on Top. And it didn't take much of this yarn. I bet I could get 4 or 5 of those out of this cake. I don't know, maybe more, I don't know. But that's my June project for my calendar. Now, haven't even looked. Ooh, July is tropical. So I'll have to think of something. Maybe you guys can help me and decide what I should make with these colors. I've made a top. Remember, I did the top for May. I did the kerchief this month. So give me something that I could work on for July that would go along with that picture. All right. Then I wanted to show you Nicole Riley from Nikki's Homemade Crafts. I'm a part of her group, and she does a mystery crochet along each month, and I finished it, and so this was her mystery crochet along. It's a little drawstring bag, and I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me pull the drawstring out. Let's see if you can see it better. But it's a filet crochet. This isn't showing it. Let me pull this out of here. What could I put in? Let me see if I put this in here if it helps you to see it. Oh, let me see. I should have already put something in here, I guess. No, not really. That doesn't help. Maybe my box of tea. Nope, it's too light. Let me hold it up here. Maybe you can just maybe you can see it. Kind of, yeah, that kind of shows up. It's a filet crochet, and it's a butterfly. And I love doing her mystery crochet alongs. They're so fun because what we did is we did up to here on part 1. We had this much. Then 2 days later, part 2, and that was up to, we did from the halfway up to the top. And then part 3, she revealed that it was going to be a drawstring bag. And then what was neat is she said, be creative, do what you want to do with it. I'm going to use it as a little project bag for small projects. But she said, be creative. It doesn't have to be a drawstring bag if you don't want it to. And my sister also did one, and she didn't put a string or anything in it. She just used it and slid her Bible in it and used it as a Bible cover. So I think that's super, super cute. And then I'm working on my for Aaron's. Oh my word! I've just blanked out on the word. Aaron from Crafting Kitty does the creator spotlight. There we go. And this month the creator is OM Granny Squares. I probably am not saying that. I know it's OM Granny something, and I'm sorry. I will have all those people tagged in the description box. You can look her up. But she had a granny poncho that I'm working on, and I got three. I got three of the four panels done. So I have three panels sewn together already. Ah, let me see if I can get this to. Let me get a better lighting on this. Oh shoot! Hit the wrong button. See if I can get a better light where you can see. That's kind of better. Okay. Anyway, this is the first three panels. Okay. Now it's gonna go. There it is in the back. But there's gonna be another panel that gets sewn in. Well, like these two would come together. There's going to be another triangle sewn in right here. And then there's going to be some real pretty lacy work done around the bottom. So I've got this one, and then here's my fourth panel. And I ran out of yarn, but the yarn is supposed to be delivered today so that I can finish it. So by next week, hopefully by Monday, I'll have it done and I can show you the finished one. But my dog is outside barking her head off, so I'm going to have to get off here. But I just wanted to come on and share what I've been working on. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Love y'all. Bye bye.